What's up, YouTube? If you don't already know, my name's John Murphy. This is my channel, Carolina Crawler. We're going to be doing another video today on the truck. As you can see, it is very muddy. Had it off-road a little bit today. I mean, it does good, but these tires are trash, so we're going to switch those out soon. Got the new tires, just haven't put them in a video yet. But today we're going to be doing the seat covers. I got my seat covers in, and I'm going to use 1-inch high-density foam as like a padding in between the seat and the seat cover because my seats are like super wore out. So we're gonna see how that goes, and I'll let y'all know. I'm gonna show you how I do it too, so stay tuned. All right, so what you're gonna need is gonna be super simple. You are going to need a Sharpie or a permanent marker of some sort. I guess anything could work, and a box blade. I think just like a good sharp knife will work. Probably not a kitchen knife wouldn't work, but like, you know what I mean. Some sort of utility sharp knife, and you need high density foam and seat covers, which you will see very soon. They're very nice, I like them. First thing you're going to do is measure how like wide your seat is, I guess. And I could go get a tape measure, but like, you know, why do that when you have an arm? So 1, 2, and then 2.5, a little bit. So we'll say like 3 arms, just so we have a little bit of room to mess with. All right, so now that we've got our high density foam right here, got a Sharpie right here, we are going to get a rough little idea of like how far we need and then mark it and we'll cut it. So 1, 2, and 3. So somewhere like right in there should work. Right there, I made a little mark, and then I'll just cut that off and show you the next step. A line there, got a line there, got a line somewhere in there, somewhere. And after you get your marks drawn, then you're gonna want to sketch out where about the outside is. I mean, it doesn't have to be perfect. The closer the better, obviously, but it doesn't have to be perfect. And go back and grab our knife right here, and we'll cut out all around that as good as possible, and then show you what it looks like. You can see now I have it cut out and put in, but it's not perfect, so I'm gonna go back and, you know, cut out what needs to be cut out here and there, just to get that little bit of perfection that we're looking for. And see how it goes. Yeah, I don't even know if this can be comfortable or not. Just, by the way, this mat came from a dojo and I got it for free. 1-inch high density foam cost about $70 for 1 piece. You need 2 pieces, that's $140. Not interested, so I'm taking this, cleaning it up, seeing how it works, and I'll let you know. All right, you guys, so I got the top put in. Actually didn't change it any from the last time I showed it to you when I said I was going to trim it up some. The only thing I did was knocked off, there's a little bit of a hard corner there, so I knocked it off and just kind of like made it a little softer of a corner, and it's not as hard on your head now. And then I put the seat cover on, which obviously you just put the seat cover on. I did get these seat covers from Seat Cover Man online. I think he's based out of North Carolina though. And you just go in, fill out your order, and he makes them for you. He does take like 3 to 4 weeks, but these seat covers anywhere else cost about $200 to $250. He made them for me, shipped and everything, $115. So it took him about 4 weeks before I got them. But I saved, you know, $100, $150, which is super nice. And then the back of them is also very much hard to put in. I don't know, I've never done seat covers like this, so I'm gonna show it to you and I'm gonna show you what I did. You can do it however you want. So you just have these little tabs right here, and you just run the string in between them all. And I mean, that's what I just ran the string in between them all, and then tied it right there and just pulled like kind of at opposite points, I guess you would say. So it worked pretty good, I would say. And the only problem I have is this one wrinkle right here, which I'm gonna try and work out, but see, I mean, it's not really a big deal. So yeah, see, there, just kind of went away right there. So it's pretty good. I think they look good. I like the color of them. I'm gonna put in the bottom now. It's gonna be the same thing as the top, just on the bottom. And don't forget to cut slots or whatever for your seat belts, because you need seat belts. So I'll show it to you once I get it finished, and be right back. All right, so now we got the bottom in there, and it's ready to go. No, I'm just kidding. We gotta get Sharpie, and we're going to mark it up as soon as we get it centered here. Should be about perfect, I think. That's pretty close, I believe. Take the Sharpie and slide on this side. There we go. I'm gonna mark up a few places like here, and such, and I'll get back to you. All right, you guys, I'm here to finish up the seats video. The seats were, I don't know how to say it, but quite the project. I just finished up the flatbed part 1 video. I don't know which one's gonna come out first. Probably this. I don't know. Probably flatbed. But these seats, the cushions that I put in them, the Dojo floor mat cushions, and the heat, like 50 plus, the hotter it is, the softer they are. Obviously, the retro on the cold is, the colder it is, the harder they are. And I mean, it's 37 outside right now, and they're freaking hard as rock. But I've already, while it was hot, I got my butt imprint broke into them, and so it's still pretty comfortable. It'll definitely work, and it's better than it was. I mean, I was feeling springs in my back. But let me show you all the seats for last view here, and my review on these seats is freaking amazing. Like, these things are amazing. They're tough. I haven't had a single fray on the fabric, and I'm not easy on my seats at all. I definitely put them through everything. And I'll show you them one last time, and then I'll show you the back and wrap things up here. So here we go. All right, so that's the fitment on the seats. They fit really good. Head covers are nice. They're beautiful design. I mean, shout out to Seat Cover, man. These things are beautiful, beautiful. And I mean, I don't know what else to say. They're just beautiful. The part I don't like is where there's no elastic underneath. I had to run all of these strings right here, and there's a bunch of them under there. You can see them on the back too. And see all the strings. The back was obviously pretty easy, but the bottom was a lot harder because you have to go, make sure you go over the seat adjustment wire that's connected to this handle that goes on both sides. So make sure you go over that. It's a little extra work, but it's necessary. But other than that, these seats are amazing. Shout out to Seat Cover, man. All right, you guys, that's it for today. See you next time. Carolina Crawler. If you like what you're seeing, like and subscribe. Got a lot of videos coming soon. Just got them all. Got to get them edited. But, you know, John Murphy here. See you next time.